So, gang, this stinks. I wake up to no electric. So, I'm like living in my Malibu 2016 brand new vehicle with my Wi-Fi, my car Wi-Fi, and my vape pen. Some 80s on the 8, and my coffee. Hey, Mr. on the border. Hey, Ronnie. Cheers. You like that cup I sent you for a gift? Yes, I know. I'm such a bitch, though. Anyway, so when your electric goes out, you guys, try to make the best of it. Grab a seat in your vehicle. If you got Wi-Fi and a vape hookup, you're good to go. You got coffee until they turn it back on. But this truly does suck. Happy Tuesday, loves. Ciao.
Here at the Big 80s on 8, we have extended